Okay, it's taking video now. Just point it at me and whatever's going on.
Whatever's going on.
I think I got a fish. It's hard to take pictures while I'm catching fish. There, Bob. Yep.
Okay.
Right way.
All right. I got
Monster.
Leon reeling. There's this.
He got away, I think. I think I got the brake set too low.
No, here's all this on video. And
it's not reeling in. Oh, look at that. Come here. He's gonna break water in a minute. There he is over there. He's over in the weeds.
Oh, yeah, there he is. Yeah. All right.
Where's that?
Coming around.
Coming around here. He's right beside the boat. Woo! Whoa, look at that.
All right.
Just don't drop my camera in the water.
I won't do that. Ta-da! Fishy. All right. There's Leon. There's Leon's head with the fish.
He's getting
He's
bigger.
got, that's a big one. That's a big one. Yeah. All right.
All right.
There we go.
Turn it off now.
All right.
You used up all your hooks. No tag on that baby
no
either.
tag either.
We've got a leech or something on him right there. See it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Right, bud. There you go. Okay, good. Ready?
All right, here's your camera.
Okay, thanks. Turn that on. It's still taped.